What's up, guys? We're going to go ahead and take a look at Super Anti-Spyware in 2024. Now, it's changed a little bit, but not too much since the last time we took a look at it. This is what it looks like once you download it. Now, this is the tool, guys, that all technicians use to clean computers. And they use the free edition. So, the cat's out of the bag. All technicians out there use free anti-spyware, antivirus programs. And this is one of the ones that we use. So if you're surprised, well, that's just the way it is. But anyway, here's Super Anti-Spyware. I will post a link on the description of the video for the website. Here's the link, superantispyware.com. Just type that in or click on the link on the description of the website. Now, when you get to the website, guys, Super Anti-Spyware is a little sneaky. You go up here to products. The only one you see is the professional paid version, X edition here. I don't know why they don't have the free one up here. So they're kind of pushing you to buy it. Just click on the download button up here on the upper right hand corner. That will be for the free download. That will be for the free edition download. Okay, that's how you get the free one. But you know how they are. They don't like to show it. But just click download here and you're good. This is the free edition here once you start it. Now, all you really got to do is click here. When you first start it up, click here where it says, click here to check for updates. Check for updates, make sure you got all the updates, guys, and then you're ready to scan. This is make sure you always click on complete scan, guys. Depending on the scanner options, if you do high boost right here, it'll use up a lot of your system resources. So you probably won't be able to work on stuff unless you have a really good computer. We're going to try the high boost here just so we can test it out. We're going to click on complete scan. And like I said, this is the program to use, guys, to get rid of spyware on your computer. Now, if you were to buy it, Antispyware Pro is $19.99. And I wonder if that's... Yep. See, back in the day, you used to be able to buy it, and you were good forever. Now, that's 3 PCs for 1 year for $19.99 for 1 year. And then $19.95 a month for technical support thereafter. Oh, my God. So, just download the free version, guys. That's all you need. That extra one is just for a bunch of other extra crap. I'm trying to see if I could... it looks like you're stuck on the scan. You can't go back. So when you're doing a scan, you really can't use any of the other tools that's on there. Let's pause it real quick because I want to show you guys the other tools that are there. But this is what it looks like when it's scanning. Well, actually, let's resume it and let's take a look at how much system resources we're using before we do anything else. We're using the high boost setting, and it looks like, here it is, Super Anti-Spyware using, let's rearrange this. It's using the most CPU right now. It's using 17 CPU here. 37%, 38% CPU usage. Keep in mind, guys, I do have an octa-core in here. I have the Intel i7, which is an octa-core, which handles anything, really, guys. If you have anything like an i5 maybe, it probably won't handle it as good, but it's going to use, if you have the i7, it's going to use up to 30% of your CPU. All right. Memory, it is using 105 megabytes. 105 megabytes. Not bad. It's only using 105 megabytes, so that's not bad, guys. So it doesn't really use much of your RAM. CPU, it looks like it does use quite a bit, so we'll just take a look at that. We're going to stop the scan because I want to go back. Okay, so when you're scanning, you can't use the system tools. I was hoping we can use the system tools when we were scanning, but that's not the case. So here we are at system tools. We got system investigator, scan logs if you want to look at your logs, super delete file removal, difficult to remove files from your system. And check it out, guys. You guys can use it with the free edition. Very helpful to use that if you got a virus or spyware that doesn't want to get out of there, Modify advanced scanning. You got all this stuff on the free version, guys. Come on. Uninstall unwanted programs, quarantine repairs, fix registry damage. It just scans for you. And you can go to game mode, suspend all notifications while playing games. So if you're playing a game, you can click on game mode and it will literally stop anything from messing with you while you're playing your game. So that's pretty good, guys. The Super Anti-Spyware still works the same as before, it looks like. But like I said, when you're scanning, it'll be stuck on the scanner. You can't use any of the other tools, which is okay, because when you're scanning, you're just going to leave the computer alone. Like I said, it doesn't use much system resources, so we're good. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at see what PC Magazine had to say about it, because we always want to see PC Magazine's take on this, because PC Magazine, come on. So the only review with PC Mag is the Professional X edition, which we'll have to do that one next if they let us do a free trial on it. The scan engine should be the same, but it looks like PC Mag doesn't even like Super Anti-Spyware. Check it out, 3.0 average. The cons: it has no malicious URL detection, no phishing protection, no scores from independent testing labs, and system investigator requires uncommon technical expertise. So Super Anti-Spyware is really old, guys. 10 plus years old. I was using this when I was in high school, and I'm 32 years old now, so that should tell you. So it's only good for scanning, guys. Only good for scanning. Only use it for when you're scanning. For scanning purposes, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Okay. For using it for other tools and stuff, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5, just like PC Mag does. Because you can find those tools for the paid version. You can find those tools somewhere else, guys, for free. There's other software that does it. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And like I said, if you're using it just because you have you're trying to clean out your computer, it's perfect. All of us use it. All the technicians use this. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video.